like a $1,000 drone. Basically a robot, has a gimbal on it for video and aerial photography and stuff. These are for fun, but you can do some other stuff that you can't do with other drones, like chasing cars and doing podcasts and stuff like that. People do that. People chase motocross. They've actually they've live streamed some of these in NASCAR this year. Somebody chasing the cars around, and they've been live streaming it on the Jumbotron at NASCAR.
That's cool. But that's kind of what it's like. It just depends on what quality parts you want to get. What kind of features you want to have. So pretty. I was about to say that, but I don't know enough about it. Didn't want to be wrong. What you got in it?
It has a blue and white interior.
On the right channel.
It's a decent car, but it needs a top and stone to it.
Oh, they all do all the time.
I suggest leaning and get something, or because you might feel like you're going to fall over.
Oh, this is on the live TV.
Yeah, you're going to see it exactly. You're going to see it exactly as it goes.
You, and then after a little bit, I'll.
All right, are you ready? Don't worry if you see it say low battery. That's just when I give it throttle. People are always like, "Oh, it's low battery." I'm like, "It's fine."
Yeah.
I've flown them for 4 years. I see that low battery. I keep these. Like these are cheap ones, but hey, it gets lets people get the experience.
Oh yeah.
I say like it's awesome when I get to like a park or something with a bunch of kids, and one of them will bring the Hulk the parent over, and then next thing you know, I got a crowd and they're just passing them around. How high will it go? Make it do this. Come look at me. Do a circle around me.